Hey guys, this is the video in response to the jobs we were supposed to look up. I looked up exercise specialist. So first I Googled corporate wellness, found a job for an exercise specialist on Indeed.com. Went to Plus One Health Management is the company that's looking for an exercise specialist. Um, and the position responsibilities for an exercise specialist is greet members and guests using a personalized approach and the PRIDE acronym and the 5-10 rule, which I looked up. And if you're within 5 feet of a client, you greet them with a good morning or hello or good afternoon. And if you're within 10 feet of a client, then you make eye contact. So that's the 5-10 rule, in case you didn't know. You need to activate the EAP. You need to administer any type of first aid that might come up. Within the first 8 weeks of being hired, you have to do your training via Plus One University and the Idea Club Connect. You have to be able to supervise, observe, and give interpersonal feedback to the clients within the setting. You also have to have you have to know corrective measures for all facets of training. So if you see somebody lifting wrong, you got to go over. If you see someone not sure what they want to do, you basically have to go over and talk with them and give them suggestions and corrections and whatever. Basically, doing. You need to be able to perform fitness evaluations and with the client based on their abilities, needs, physical conditions, and be able to develop and implement progressive, individualized exercise programs to meet any special requirements of the client. So you got to be able to think on your feet and put together a program. So basically, what are the certifications that you need? You need to have a bachelor's degree in exercise science, kinesiology, PE, or a related field. You have to be NCCA accredited for a personal training certification. You have to have your CPR and AED. You have to have your first aid certification. And you have to have current knowledge of the industry standards and be able to do exercise testing. So you have to be able to do assessments and exercise prescription. So you have to be able to do program design for your clients within Plus One. So you must also possess knowledge and ability to operate all fitness equipment. So you got to be able to work the kettlebells, the everything, all the different equipment that they have on site. You have to have good customer skills, and I like this one. I like the communicate professionally using appropriate grammar and vocabulary. So it's good to know a few of the terminology, and basically not be saying, hey, yo, dude, can't do that. So yes, proper grammar and vocabulary. Why do I think I'd be good at this job? Well, I've worked with both men and women in their strength training needs before for about 20 years. So I think I have a good sense of strengths and weaknesses, for both genders, of what we would need to do. I've put together, basically, as they describe it, program design. So I think I'd have a good, overall knowledge of putting together a little circuit training for people. I'm pretty good at assessments. I'm actually learning a lot through this class right now, and so I think if having the ability to assess people and work with them, good interpersonal skills with the right grammar and vocabulary, I think it'd be a fun job. I looked it up a little bit, about 35,000 to start, with potential for private clients and personal training. So I think it'd be fun, and it looks like there's room to grow and move into management. So that's it. Good luck to everybody, and I look forward to seeing all the jobs you guys found out there.